Welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Neil Seligman. The first practice that we're going to look at today is something that might be useful at the end of a stressful day. So I'm going to invite you to drop into practice just by allowing the eyes to close if that feels comfortable. But if not, just allow the gaze to be soft and bring your attention to the breath. As we bring the attention to the breath, just feel the sensations of the breath at the nostrils, allowing your attention to alight on the sensations of temperature, texture, and velocity as the air moves through the nose. And we follow the breath into the body. And in this practice, we're going to be inviting different parts of the body to let go. And notice that the invitation is going to be a gentle invitation. It's not a demand. We're simply going to invite a part of the body to let go and witness what happens. So to start with, we're just going to begin with the shoulders. A lot of us carry tension and tightness at the back of the shoulders. So just giving the shoulders the invitation to let go. And so in our mindfulness practice, we invite the shoulders to let go and just observe what response comes through. And so you might feel in the body a sense of easing, but you might also feel the tightness still present. So just observing, welcoming what's there. And from the shoulders, we move to the eyes, and we give the instruction, the invitation to let go. And once again, we observe. What would it feel like for the eyes to let go? And noticing whatever comes. There are no success measures. Simply observing. And then we maneuver from the eyes to the mind, and offering the mind the invitation to let go. What would it feel like for the mind to be able to let go, even just 2% more? Observing, watching, noticing the breath is always there, and coming back to the breath in the body, the inhale and the exhale, riding the waves of the breath, noticing the weight of the body. And in your very own time, allowing the eyes to reopen. Thank you for joining me in practice.